Welcome. Is your Gmail app not responding? You're not alone, and today we're going to walk through some effective steps to get it back on track. Let's dive right in. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. 2. Restart your device. Long press on the power button, then tap on Restart. 3. Update the Gmail app. Make sure you're using the latest version. Open Google Play Store, search for Gmail, and tap on Update. 4. Clear, Cache, and Data. Go to Settings, scroll down to Apps, tap on Gmail, then Storage. Select Clear Cache, and then Clear Data. Check Sync Settings. Open the Gmail app. Tap on the menu 3 lines, go to Settings, select your account, and ensure Sync Gmail is checked. 6. Check Device Sync Settings, go to Settings, tap on Accounts, and ensure Auto Sync Data is turned on. 7. Force Stop and Reopen. Gmail. Go to Settings, tap on Apps, select Gmail, then tap Force Stop and reopen the app. 8. Check for System Updates. Go to Settings, tap on System, then System Updates. 9. Re-add your Google account. Go to Settings, tap on Accounts, then Google. Remove your account and add it back. Give these steps a try, and you should be back up and running in no time.